Tanocap is an ag-tech company, meaning a company developing biotech products based on natural ingredients to increase the shelf life of agriculture and other crops. The business partner we are looking in China is someone that knows very well the agriculture business, but not just knowing the business, also introducing an innovative product. Because we are going to change the culture of how to ship, how to store, how to deliver crops from China from one part to the other. And it has to be someone that knows the market, knows how to market, and also how to